So you guys understand?
Yeah.
This is the principle of the pendulum.
Principle.
Yep, the principle. In other words, how it shows you how the pendulum works. It moves back and forth. But look, you see how the oval gets smaller and smaller? You know why it's doing that?
Why?
Because there's friction where the pendulum is attached to the hook, and that means that there's less energy in the pendulum. So every time it goes, it's a little bit shorter, and eventually it will stop in the middle. But a good pendulum will have very, very little friction, like the kind that they have in the Science Museum, and it will go for a very long time before it starts to lose energy.
How come it goes in an oval instead of the straight line? Yeah.
It goes in an oval instead of a straight line because I pushed it to the side a little bit.
Why?
When I started.
Why? Why?
Because I wanted it to make an oval instead of a straight line so that we could see.
But why is there more here and more over there than on the other side?
There's about the same. It looks to me like there's the same on each side.
That's right.
Don't. I really want you to stay on the bed, Ian, because if you get the salt on your feet and track it around, it's going to be very hard for me to clean up.
Daddy's right. It is getting smaller slowly.
The closer it gets to the middle, the slower it slows down.
Dad, nothing's coming.
Oh, it stopped coming out?
No.
Okay, that's fine, because I think we got enough salt on the floor anyway, but it made a pretty cool pattern, didn't it?
Yeah. Look, more here and more there.
I really want you guys to stay on the bed so you don't track the salt around the house.
It's like a ring tilted. That ring that's over. Is there a ring over Saturn?
There's a ring around Saturn. There's lots of rings around Saturn.
That's like one of the rings around Saturn.
Well, so there's probably some similarities in the way that the rings form because they're controlled by gravity.
Why?
And this is also controlled by gravitational forces as well.
Oh, why? What